Okay, that was an A major scale, 2 octaves. Now just to quickly show you the finger I'm using, I'm in 4th position. I'm going to call you out the fingering for each string. So for string 6 I'm using 2 and 4, string 5 1 2 4, string 4 1 3 4, string 3 1 3 4, string 2 2 4, and string 1 1 2. Now the purpose of this video is actually to kind of reinforce something I actually teach in lessons, which is economy of movement with the left hand and playing very close to the frets. Now the reason for this is it's actually, there's 2 or 3 main reasons for this. One is just so you don't run out of energy. The further you are away from the fretboard when you're playing, the more you're just moving. It's like you're actually wasting energy, really. The second thing is accuracy. The closer you are to the frets, the more likely your fingers are going to hit the right notes. And the third thing is actually to do with the technique of pull-offs. And sort of it's the carry on from accuracy, but the closer you are, the better the sound comes out. The further you are, you get more of what I call a flutter rather than pull-off, because you're coming in such a distance away. By the time you hit the string, the impact's been reduced. Close really is the way forward there. Now to show you how we're going to use this A major scale to actually reinforce this technique of fingers being close, I'm going to come in just a little bit closer and show you. Now my second finger's on the A. Now a lot of people will do this, so you can see what I'm doing there. Every time they're doing a new note, they're taking off the old finger. This is very, very common, especially in beginners. So what we're going to do here is actually the complete polar opposite. We're going to play the A, play the B. Now they're stuck there now. We're going to play the B. Now we're only going to move that second finger. Now we need it. Same with the little finger. Now watch carefully again, you'll notice down here, when the little finger changes string, rather than actually doing what you'd expect it to do when you see someone play guitar, it actually does something I call it a sidestep. In other words, it's the most tiniest little subtle movement. It's actually just going like that. So. Now it looks not very complicated, that, and it isn't actually in principle, but what's quite tough, if you're someone who's used to playing with fingers that are more like this, suddenly doing this will at first seem quite tricky because you've got no momentum, you're using pure angled finger power. But this really will, I can't stress it enough, doing this, rather than doing all these kind of flashy fast scales you can find online, doing this before you, I mean they're great, those kind of things, but you need a few nuts and bolts things before you do them, a few not fast things, just kind of ways of doing things that make those things so much easier and sound so much better. So this is the first video of its kind. I'm going to be doing more of these. I'm going to put them on my YouTube channel, and they're also going to go on my website, www.matthewsearcomposer.com, which is my main site now. Like I said, these videos are mainly for pupils, but they're also for anyone out there who can benefit from them, and there'll be a PDF, a tab PDF in the link. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.